Well, first off, I can't thank you enough for what you all did to bring this to reality. But the Seakeeper ride on was night and day from when it was turned off. It was, and those waves crashing when it was off, you just felt loose. When it was on, it went right through them.
Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something kind of special. We are on a 255 FSH with more goodies and accessories and stuff than we've ever done before. My friend Rob here called us out of South Carolina and wanted us to outfit his brand new FSH. And I got to say, I am really pleased with how it came out. He got a lot of stuff. He went with the new Minn Kota Instinct Quest. Love, love, love this motor. I'm going to be buying one next. He said, hey, I know a guy that can install it for you. Yep, we can do that. So love that. He also got a Simrad radar, light bar, sure shades, Seakeeper RIDE, radio. I mean, just really kind of made it how he wanted it. This boat is a radically transformed boat. And I wanted to make sure we said in this video, JetBoatPilot is now a full service center. So we can do a lot of the rigging that you'd like to have done right here in Panama City. And if you're looking for a Seakeeper ride, we're actually just now rolling out, we're doing Seakeeper Ride Mobile. So inside of a certain range, we'll be offering Seakeeper Ride services where we'll come to you. If you got questions, comment below. Be glad to answer those questions for you. But the real reason I made this video today, I wanted to ask Rob what his thoughts were, because we just got finished riding in about 12-mile-an-hour winds, before and after with the Seakeeper on, Seakeeper off. Rob, what'd you think?
Well, first off, I can't thank you enough for what you all did to bring this to reality. But the Seakeeper ride on was night and day from when it was turned off. It was, and those waves crashing when it was off, you just felt loose. When it was on, it went right through them.
I was really blown away. At one point, we had some really wild following seas that were kind of coming off of our right starboard side there. And I was trying to turn into it with the system off, and the wind was driving, and the boat wasn't giving me what I wanted with the system off. I hit the button, turned it back on, and immediately, with very little input, the boat gave me what I wanted. So I felt a lot better, a lot more in control. Obviously, we weren't leaned all over. I also found that when we had all four of us on here, we staggered everybody off to one side and turned the system off, and the boat just pitched.
It did, yeah. And
we turned it on, and all of a sudden it leveled out.
Right.
So it lived up to that height too. So I'm super pleased, man. I'm so glad you came out.
Well, I can't thank you enough. I mean, as far as customer service goes, I mean, new boat owner, talking to you at all day and night. You really helped. And I think the Minn Kota was amazing out there as well. I mean, auto deployed, it, stayed right where we wanted it to when we anchored.
Yeah. I'm spoiled. I got to have one just like that one. That's awesome. Well, cool. Well, listen, we appreciate you watching this video. Like I said, if you've got questions, comment below. Be glad to answer those questions for you. And by the way, if you like this video, check this one out.